Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, then welcome. I just wanted to share with you my 6 a.m. morning routine on a Tuesday and a Thursday. So firstly, I just wake up, switch my light on and go through my hair. And then I just get out of bed, put my slippers on, and then I also make my bed as well. And then I just have a nice morning shower. Then I do some skincare, so I'll exfoliate my face first using this little vibrating exfoliating brush. And I just wipe my face with a flannel to get all the little residue off. And then I'd also clean my little facial cleanser brush. And then I'll also use my little facial oil just to soften up the face a bit more. And then I'll just apply this Garnier skin cream all over my face as well. And I just use the Body Shop body lotion just all over my legs and all over my arms as well. And then I'll just go in the wardrobe and pick out my clothes for the day. And I've also colour coordinated it and I'm so happy with how it looks. So I just picked out some jeans, a black top and this checkered little jacket. It was also snowing outside. Then I'll just brush through my hair, put some heat protectant on it. And then I'd just blow dry my hair, and then I'd just get on with some homework, and then also after that I'll just straighten my hair. So now I'm just putting a bit of makeup on. So first I do my eyebrows and then I brush them out. So next I just curl my lashes and then put mascara on afterwards. So next I just go in with this Boohoo lip pencil in the shade Birthday Suit. And then I'll also go in with some lip balm as my lips were very dry. I just brushed my teeth after breakfast and then this was my outfit for the day. So then I also took my two little dogs for a walk with my brother. Then I would just come home, get cozy, light my candles and just chill in bed for a little while. Then I would tick off my to-do list, which I've still got quite a lot to do, but yeah, it's just so satisfying to tick things off when you've done them. Then I just wanted to show you guys this other little notebook I have which says be kind, And I just wrote like loads of positive things in here, like things to remember, you are so loved, you are important, and just all of like the positivity on the first page. And then just like an about me page, places to travel. I don't know, I just find this so satisfying to do in your spare time. And then I thought I'd also show you guys my little morning routine page and my night routine page. And then I just had this for dinner, and that's the end of the video.